Scope freeze is the quiet financial tool that keeps a budget-friendly home build from turning into a runaway expense problem. When we talk about freezing scope, we mean locking in the design, layout, and finish selections before construction starts, so mid-build change orders do not explode your costs. Start by finalizing all finished selections before you sign the construction contract, including flooring, cabinets, countertops, plumbing fixtures, lighting, and paint colors, so your contractor can price labor and materials accurately. Use allowances for any items not yet chosen, but make sure the contract clearly explains what happens when you pick something above the allowance, such as you pay the full difference plus any extra labor. Add a contingency line in your budget, usually around 5 to 10% of the total project cost, reserved only for true surprises like hidden structural issues, not for late design upgrades. Work with your contractor to create standardized upgrade packages, such as a premium kitchen or enhanced bath option, with set prices instead of one-off custom tweaks that require new drawings and bidding every time. Before the build starts, hold a pre-construction meeting to walk through every room verbally, confirm all selections, and agree on a firm scope freeze date, after which only critical safety or code-related changes are allowed. 3 common mistakes blow up costs even when people think they are being careful about scope freeze. One big issue is casual, on-site decisions such as, let us move that wall 2 feet, or let us add a window here, which often need new engineering and extra trades, so the fix is to route all changes through a written change order and sleep on it before agreeing. Another mistake is underestimating how quickly upgrades add up when chosen one by one, so a better approach is to choose a complete package level for each space and allow yourself only one small custom splurge per major room. A third problem is failing to set a hard decision deadline, which leads to rushed, last-minute choices when materials are already ordered. So the solution is to use a simple calendar with clear dates for locking in each category and treat those dates like non-negotiable appointments. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to stick to a frozen scope by helping homeowners find local contractors who already understand budget-conscious, standardized building. On our site, homeowners connect with nearby professionals looking for work, and contractors can showcase projects that match specific budget and style targets. We also host a discussion community where people share real-world experiences about scope freezes, change orders, and what actually keeps their build on budget. Our goal is to give all of us a place to learn from each other while finding the right people to get the job done.